Hey everyone, we're living in the age of AI where people write their video scripts using tools like ChatGPT, get voiceovers from 11 Labs, and generate images with tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Despite this, many still spend hours manually editing videos using software like Filmora or CapCut. But there's a better way now. Recently, I discovered an AI tool called Jupyter AI that can edit your videos with just one click. If you have a voiceover, Jupyter AI can generate the entire video for you. This tool allows you to turn your audio into a complete video, add B-rolls, achieve instant creation, and automate subtitles effortlessly. Let me show you how it works. On the Jupyter AI website, you'll see features like adding relevant stock footage with a single click and auto-generating subtitles. You can also turn audio into video with just one click, which is even more efficient than Pictory AI. Here's a step-by-step demonstration. Suppose you have a regular video where you're talking about a topic in front of the camera. Simply upload your video file, and the AI will generate a transcript on the left side and a video preview on the right. By highlighting any part of the transcript, you can add relevant B-roll visuals with options to generate images, videos, or GIFs. Jupyter AI uses non-copyrighted video footage from Pexels, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. If the AI-generated footage isn't entirely accurate, you can select different clips from the gallery to enhance your video. You can also customize other elements of your video, such as switching to portrait mode for social media platforms like Reels, TikTok, or Shorts, and modifying subtitle fonts and styles. For example, you can change the font to Quicksand, adjust the size, position, and color to suit your preferences. Let's move on to my favorite feature, turning audio into video. Simply upload your audio file, write your video title, and click Continue. After a short processing time, your audio will be transformed into a video. You can see an example where the audio was turned into a beautiful video about the top 10 places to visit in the USA. This tool is fantastic for creating monetizable content for your YouTube channel. I've been using Jupyter AI for my second YouTube channel, and it's generating significant revenue, around $100 per day. You can get started by clicking the link in my description, which will take you to the Jupyter AI website. In conclusion, Jupyter AI is an incredible tool for video creation and editing, even better than other options like InVideo AI or Pictory AI. Sometimes you may need to tweak the visuals to enhance the quality, but the effort is minimal compared to manual editing. By subscribing to the Creator Plan for $19 per month, you gain access to amazing features, including 1080p exports without watermarks.